Okay, we're gonna go over how to replace a pillow here for a Canadian Spa Company hot tub. There's a little trick to go into place to make this stick on. So I'm gonna remove this one first. I'm gonna grab it, pull it off. As you can see on the back, it has these two holes here that actually need to pop in over top of these two plugs. Okay, so you wanna make sure when you're pulling this off that you see these two plugs here. Some of the older styles had a plastic insert that would stick over top. If you do, you want to remove that insert, because if you don't see these two plugs, there's still pieces that are stuck on. So you want to see these two plugs when you're going to put the pillow, take the pillow off or put a new one back on. So we're taking this one off here. We're going to put this one back on. To put this in, you're going to want to line these tabs, the plugs, up with the holes. Okay, and I find the easiest is actually to stretch it. Let's apply force, stretch it, and pull it over top of the plugs, so it's properly it's snug and creates a nice connection. Then you can pull a little, apply a little pressure underneath here to see if it comes off. This is in there nice and snug, and this is nice and set. So you want to kind of pull and stretch as you put it over top of the plugs. Very easy way to replace the pillows.